Welcome back to this channel. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly means 17th of November. And first of all, national news. PM Modi visited under construction Surat Bullet Train Station in Gujarat. Congress to hold meeting of top office bearers of states. UTs undergoing SIR. At 9 degrees Celsius, Delhi recorded coldest November day in 3 years. Delhi CM announced over 200 crore rupees development push for Kirari Nazafgarh. And now international news. Netanyahu's easy way or hard way, warning on disarming Hamas. Michelle Obama asked if US is ready to have women president. And now sports news. Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025 India A go down to Pakistan A by 8 wickets. FIDE World Cup Arjun Erigesi lone Indian warrior as P. Hari Krishnan crashed out. World Boxing Cup Finals Preeti Pawar secured medal on return. News related to business. India's NCDEX eyes 20% stake in Sri Lanka's first commodity exchange. Jackson Group begin rupees 8,000 crore integrated solar facility project in Madhya Pradesh. And that's all in news. Thank you.